Today I am preparing a hair mask that will change your hair care game and you can thank me later. If this remedy actually works, it will be a game changer. First ingredient is rosemary essential oil. Essential oil is anti-inflammatory, helps in improving circulation and is believed to help in hair growth. Second ingredient is egg. If you are not comfortable with egg, आप एक banana भी use कर सकते हैं इसकी जगह. Egg, as we all know, is high in protein. It helps in strengthening and repairing your hair and adds shine and luster to your hair. Next is olive oil. Olive oil is a good moisturizer. It helps in reducing frizz and adding shine to your hair. Then here we have mayonnaise. Mayo helps in smoothing your hair, improves hair texture, and it is also believed to be adding shine to your hair. Next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil reduces protein loss from your hair. It is super moisturizing and prevents frizz. And here we have honey, which is a great humectant, smoothens out your hair shaft and also helps with hair breakage issue. Lastly, we need some lemon juice, which will again add shine to your hair. It will help in clearing your scalp and also helps in controlling dandruff. Now since we have everything, let's start cooking. First I'm taking one whole egg here and I'll whisk it thoroughly to make it smooth. Now I'm starting to add everything to it. Lemon juice, coconut oil, olive oil, mayonnaise, honey, and lastly few drops of rosemary essential oil. Now we'll mix everything thoroughly to make a smooth paste. For applying this mask, you would need a shower cap, a wide tooth comb, and of course our hair mask. Now I'm taking my hair section by section and will start applying the mask. Make sure to spread the mask evenly so that each and every strand is covered. Cover your roots and do not forget to dip your tips as well in this mask as they tend to be more dry. I'll be repeating the process similarly for my whole hair and will place them like a bun. And I will cover this with a shower cap so that it doesn't get dry and my hair can get all the nutrition. Now I'll keep this mask on for 1 hour at least and then wash off my hair with regular shampoo. So now is the time for result. My hair have literally got glass-like shine and luster from this mask. They are absolutely clean and the volume is huge. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे बाल डबल डेंसिटी के हो गए हैं instantly. These are my hair just air dried without any styling done and it seems my hair have actually doubled in density. The shine is amazing, the smoothness is amazing. I wish कि मैं आपको touch करके दिखा सकती अपने बाल. Do give this mask a try and see the results for yourself and I will guarantee you will be as happy as I am right now. Thank you.